So this is the latest guideline, and this slide I want you to pay attention. This is the latest recommendation which is being told right now. I'm sure a lot of media has not covered it, and some have covered, some have not covered. This I want you to, given a chance today to interact with you all, I want to tell this because this is going to save a lot of people from getting the virus in the future. See, this is called knot and tuck method. Knot it and tuck it. So you can see this is the common mask. I'm sure everyone would have seen this mask by this time. Most of the times in the previous slide, if you see, we wear the mask without putting the knot. So there is always a gap in the area between your ear and your maxillary area. There is always a gap present through this. There is still, even if you wear the best mask, you still have a chance of getting the virus. And the research has proven that this method is very effective. More than 80% of the times you can be safe if you put it. So this is the latest recommendation. You can see the picture very clearly, and I will be sharing you the slides also, so don't worry. You can see this picture and you can follow it up in your day-to-day life. So how to pair a mask? Now pairing it up is the new slogan which is spreading fast. One mask is not sufficient, especially in India. It is highly recommended to wear 2 masks when you go outside your house and 1 mask inside your house if somebody is infected. So what are the combinations where you can pair it? 2 surgical masks you should not pair. Please remember, wearing 2 such masks is not recommended. Wearing 2 cloth masks is also not recommended. And N95 mask, I'm sure everyone would have heard it by this time. I personally would not suggest N95 to the common people because it is highly reserved to the healthcare people. But if at all you're going to a very high risk area, you're going to a crowded place, you're going to hospital, that time you can wear N95 mask. Other times, please avoid N95 because it is a precious weapon for the healthcare workers. So I personally feel that N95 is no need for N95 for the common public to use. So pair it up. How to pair it up is you wear one. So how to pair it up is you wear 1 surgical mask and 1 cloth mask. So these are the 2 things you can wear when you go out. Unknotted mask. See, meaning the unknotted mask can protect you by 56% of times only. But if you put a knot and secure the sides, you can see how well the sides are secured. It prevents you from almost 80% of the time you are protected from the virus. And when you double it up with the cloth mask, then see the amount of protection you're getting. You're getting around 85 to 88. In my experience, a lot of people are saying it even protects up to 90%. It is almost equal to wearing an N95 mask. So this is also gives you a very secure feeling. There is no air leak at all. Very, very, very secure seal you get around your nose, mouth, and you can see how well it covers your chin. It goes all the way down the chin. So this is the correct method of wearing a mask. This is the way you have to wear the mask in the next 1 year in order to protect yourself from getting the virus.